Welcome to an extraordinary journey through the enigmatic realm of black holes. In this video, we will delve into the captivating science behind these cosmic wonders, exploring their formation, mind-boggling properties, and their role in shaping the universe as we know it. Prepare to have your understanding of the cosmos expanded as we unravel the mysteries of black holes. What are black holes? In this section, we'll start with the basics. We'll explain what black holes are and how they are formed. Using stunning visualizations and intuitive animations, we will guide you through the life cycle of a massive star and the incredible phenomenon that occurs when it reaches the end of its life. Witness the birth of a black hole as its gravitational pull becomes so intense that even light cannot escape its clutches. The anatomy of a black hole. Here, we'll dive deeper into the anatomy of black holes. Discover the event horizon, a boundary that separates the black hole from the rest of the universe, and explore its extraordinary effects on time and space. With the help of advanced simulations, we'll illustrate how black holes warp the fabric of spacetime, leading to astonishing phenomena like gravitational lensing. Supermassive black holes, cosmic behemoths. Prepare to encounter the gargantuan entities known as supermassive black holes. Found at the centers of most galaxies, including our Milky Way, these cosmic behemoths boast masses millions to billions of times that of our Sun. Through AI-generated simulations, we'll observe the mesmerizing dance of stars orbiting around these cosmic giants, revealing their enormous gravitational influence on their galactic surroundings. The black hole information paradox. One of the most intriguing puzzles in physics is the black hole information paradox. According to the laws of quantum mechanics, information should never be lost, yet black holes seem to defy this fundamental principle. In this segment, we'll explore various theories and hypotheses put forth by scientists to resolve this paradox, touching on the groundbreaking concept of Hawking radiation. Black holes and the fate of the universe. Join us on a cosmic journey as we contemplate the profound implications of black holes on the universe's fate. We'll discuss the relationship between black holes and the expansion of the universe, as well as the role they play in galaxy formation. Witness the mesmerizing spectacle of supermassive black holes consuming surrounding matter, shaping galaxies, and influencing the cosmic web. Conclusion. As our AI-powered exploration comes to a close, you'll gain a newfound appreciation for the significance of black holes in our vast cosmos. From their awe-inspiring birth to their potential role in the far future of the universe, black holes are cosmic marvels that continue to challenge our understanding of the laws of physics. We hope this video has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to further explore the wonders of the cosmos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more captivating our Plesme channel explorations of the universe's mysteries. Thank you for joining us on this mind-expanding journey, and until next time, keep exploring and questioning the mysteries of our fascinating cosmos.